2013 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8 lifted. Got a beautiful truck. What we got done on it for you guys today, it still got stock converters, 4 of them, 2 there, 2 there. Then we comes true dualed into a dual in single out muffler. Not anymore. Now it's true dualed all the way back into a FLOWMASTER 10 series right there. Then we got 2 1/4 mandrel bent pipe all the way back to 4-inch tips right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. This is what it looks like out the back. He wanted them straight out the side. Factory look on each side. When it's on the ground, you won't see nothing but the tips. It'll come out really nice and clean. Let you guys hear it in a second. Sorry guys, it's raining. Oh, sounds mean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Really cleanly done. I like it.
I know it's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like our moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it.